Remove 2-inch hitch adapter, if using 1 1/4 inch hitch. Insert receiver bar into hitch. Insert bolt from the driver's side of the hitch. Tighten using 3/4 inch wrench. Slide lock over end of bolt. Move both SuperClamp arms to outermost positions. Move wheel hooks to outermost positions. Set bicycle on rack tray closest to vehicle. Ensure front wheel is oriented correctly. Rotate driver's side SuperClamp arm up and into position over front wheel. Slide front wheel hook down onto tire to secure bike. Set bicycle on rack tray furthest from vehicle. Ensure front wheel is oriented correctly. Rotate passenger side SuperClamp arm up and into position over front wheel. Slide front wheel hook down onto tire to secure bike. Slide inner rear wheel hook down. Move driver's side SuperClamp arm into final position, and slide front wheel hook down. Slide outer rear wheel hook down, made in Madison, Wisconsin, and comes with a lifetime warranty. This video is not meant to replace the owner's manual.